you tell what it is? It's a backwater. I need some of it. I'll show you why in a minute. There we go. We've got about 15 centimeters from the edge of the boot. Okay. It's for this bit to replace. Where were we? Here. So we got up to there, but this ain't great. I still have to find something. That's not great. And it's a fairly simple piece of metal to weld in. Same on the other side. We've got 2 back quarters, so that's fine. That one's up to 18, so I've probably got about to there on the other side. But the main thing is to get this area replaced, and I've got the pieces for that on both sides. The roof has been epoxied 3 coats. The roof is fine, it was rusting, and it's outside, so it's got a better coat on it now to protect it from the weather while it waits. Next is to do the inside. Surface rust. The worst of it's there. It's not bad, it's not gone through, it's just surface rust.